Welcome back to Tri-Lakes Garage. We got a really cool shipment in today. I finally got my goodies from Level Ride. So what I want to do is kind of do an unboxing, tell you a little bit of why I picked this kit, and let you know some of the differences and what we're going to be doing with it. So this is an FBSS, so it's a front back side to side. It is also a pressure and height correcting system. There are other pressure and height systems out there. For one reason or another, I wasn't really pleased with their capabilities or with their construction. And when I was looking for components, which system to buy, I started calling manufacturers. As soon as I called Level Ride, James picked up the phone, which was fantastic. He talked to me for a good while, answered all the questions I had. At the end of that, we got set up, and I decided this was the kit that we were going to use for this and many other builds that we do. So I got the full kit, and it comes with some really, really cool stuff. So we're kind of going to go through that here. I have several components, and we'll just go through one by one and kind of give you the lowdown and show you what comes with it, what you can expect when you order your kit. Right, so a few things about this kit that I really, really loved was the fact that it can do height and pressure. I've been working with factory air ride systems for quite some while. I've been a Land Rover tech for many years. I love them. I love the way their system actually corrects for height. It's one of the reasons why I have them drive them. I really love that capability. And what my vision is for the Grumman build is to have this thing function like an OE vehicle, turnkey. I don't want it to, when I'm pulling our boat or we're going to shows or have it loaded with gear, I don't want it to be off kilter. I didn't want to be messing with pressure. I want it to be automatic. So part of the way they achieve this, it comes with 4 really nice height sensors, and these look every bit as robust as something you'd see on an OE. It comes with a really, really nice harness that's pre-made, has your weather pack connectors on here, which are fantastic. So the harness and the sensors will be weatherproof. Has a really, really solid solenoid valve, so the manifold. So this is going to be fantastic. It vents through the manifold here, so that's going to be fantastic. It's going to stop some leaks for us. I love that this dude is Bluetooth. Okay, so it comes with a little phone here that syncs to the air suspension controller, which is this guy. Really neat piece of kit. So everything is done wirelessly. I can control my ride height out of the car. I can control it in the car. It's really, really slick. In addition to that, we have our pressure sensors. So with this, it is height and pressure, so this keeps tabs on what each channel is doing. It also monitors pressure in the tank. We have our wiring harness for our computer, so our hookup and our power. I really love this. I was expecting to have to make it myself, but it comes with a really, really nice weather-packed wiring harness that goes for each wheel sensor, so each height sensor. That plugs right in, you just have to run it. That's awesome. That's going to save us quite a bit of time. It comes with your fittings, the various fittings you need. There's a charger for the little Bluetooth controller. Comes with 3/8. I decided to go with 3/8 line. So it comes with your 3/8 DOT soft line. This stuff's fantastic. And it has a really nice tank. Now this one I opted to go with steel. It's crinkle coated, it looks like. It's really well made. It has some awesome welds on it. It looks to be about a 5-gallon unit. So it's going to work really, really well for our purposes. And it also comes with 2 Vi-Air compressors with whips. So this is everything that we need to get our airbags under control. I think this system's going to be fantastic. One of the last things that I really, really love about this kit is within this Bluetooth controller, not only does it show you heights and pressures of all 4 wheels, but you can set predetermined ride heights. It's programmable. So I love that because the big thing with me, we drive our stuff a lot, and I hate other manual airbag systems because you're kind of going off pressure, but the ride height is really relative to how much you have in the vehicle. So your alignment isn't ever really in the same place. That chews up tires, it makes it drive kind of funky. I hate that. So with this system, it maintains your ride height. I mean, you get it set and you're there. You load it up, it adjusts, it stays at that height, which means you keep the alignment. And a really cool thing about this controller is you can set different ride heights. I'm just turning on the controller right here. Now, I don't have anything set up right now, so it's just going to be a blank screen. But it gives you your dashboard, and you have your preset ride height, so you can lift the thing all the way up. You can drop it to the ground, and then you can have set presets in between. So all you have to do is hit the button, and it takes you right to that set ride height, and it's really, really cool. I mean, it's pretty much set it and forget it. It even comes with a charger for the little Bluetooth controller, which I absolutely love. So check us out. Like I said, Level Ride. This is the company we're going to be using for all of our builds. If you have any questions or if you need any of the components, either check out Level Ride, you can contact me and we can get you what you need. But again, this is Dave Jones, Tri-Lakes Performance. We're going to be using this and a lot more of their goodies in our Grumman build. So subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. We're going to have some really cool stuff.